Next on BBC One, we will have the work of fiction Land Rover, the best 4x4 by far. But over on BBC Two at the moment, we're having unwrapping a large pallet. Right, here we go. I was sent this pallet yesterday. I had it out last night, but I was just a bit too late to get it in because it started raining this morning for a change. It was sent by Perry. It's got a lot of stuff in it. Shall we have a look and see what's in it? I can see an RP80 here. Oh, let's put it. Ooh, there's a Salisbury. Now I'm not really, he did tell me what was wrong with these things. Sadly I've forgotten, so I'm going to have to get back to him. Because he wanted some bits and pieces upgrading from jobs I've done before. Right, what have we got here? Like I say, we've got a Salisbury axle. Oh dear, it's looking in quite a bad state. I don't know what he wants me to do with it. The brackets aren't too clever. Got an R380 here, T2. Bloody hell, that's tight. He said it had been rebuilt, but it won't even turn over. T2. That is really, really tight. That's interesting. This is one of the transfer cases that I sent a while ago back to them. Now they want to have an ATV fitted to it. I think we're going to get ATV fitted to that one. We've got a differential here. Another differential. We've got 3 differentials. I'm kind of curious about this box here. It's being rebuilt. Turn over. Oh, that's a mystery, isn't it? The shaft is so tight it's unbelievable. Let me take the camera off and I'll show you. We can see here on this axle here, the shock mounting is worn out completely. I was going to suggest a way we can put some washers in there, but I think that's a bit too far gone. I want some mountings on it really. In fact, I think most of these mountings are finished. I don't know about this one here. It's very thin. Let's have a look at this one. Oh yeah, look, you see that one's rotten all the way through there. Look. Good sandblast, it'll disappear. Yeah, this one's the same. Look, somebody's sort of done some welding to it. It's not very good. So it's a complete diff. Oh, what's this? Is new. I've never seen this before. Oh, that's interesting, isn't it? They haven't even got a nut in it. I bet it's inside. Not too badly scraped about. A lot of potential. I'll have to find out what he wants to do with them. Anyway, that was just a little bit of an unboxing. I thought it might be interesting. That transmission there is going to be really interesting. I wonder what the hell they've done to it. So this differential here looks worse than it is. It's actually sort of rusty, watery grease on there. That'll clean up. The teeth look nice. Bit of backlash, but that's not too bad. Same as this one here. That one's a nice one. I don't really think these need much doing to them. This one here is a TD5 one apparently. It's out of the later axles. Same as a Puma. It's got the 2-pin differential, so that's one of the strongest ones. I really don't know what they want me to do with them. They look alright to me. But anyway, we'll see. It's obviously been painted at some time. Yeah, we've got some interesting jobs to do. That gearbox there looks like it's off 1.2. It's got a plug in it here. Ah, yeah, it could be 1.2 because it's got a bracket on there, like for a Discovery, with a high and low switch on there. What's it say here? For LSV8 with the HD output shaft and ATB. Oh, well, that's alright, that's easy enough. I know what to put in there. Ashcrofts haven't got any ATBs in at the moment. They'll be in July. So I'm not going to do that one or this one for now. But we'll concentrate on doing that one, that R380, because that's got me going. Well, not got me going too much. And then I'll have to find out what they want to do with this axle, because I'm looking at this. So you look out, I'm seeing it from a different angle. You can see here it's all split. Welding those on is a pain in the backside because you've got to get the alignment correct.